What's up M1, CMod here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your terrible mic audio into something very professional. With that being said, let's jump in. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my phone and camera mic audio as a test to show you how good this audio software can turn terrible mic audio from my camera and my built-in phone. Okay guys, so now we're back in my room, so now it's time to get the show on the road. Okay, so what you want to do is go into your Google browser section and open and click on Adobe AI Voice Enhancer, or type in. And you're going to want to click on the first thing you see here. Now that you have this open, let's drag in our files. We're going to start off with the camera audio, and from there go on to the phone audio. Okay, so now we wait a few minutes for it to process everything, and after that we can hear both things, the enhanced version and the original audio footage. Okay, so it looks like it's right now, so before we turn on the enhanced speech, let's hear what it's sounding beforehand. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my phone and mic. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my phone and camera mic audio as a test to show you how good this audio software can turn terrible mic audio from my camera and my built-in phone into something highly professional. What can I say? It sounds pretty dang good. Now, it's not going to be like movie quality or like studio quality, but it's a lot better than what it sounded beforehand. So I have to say, like I said, you don't have the best microphone, this might be the software for you. Now, just to make sure this program is as good as it claims to be, we're going to be uploading the phone audio so we get an idea there as well. Okay, drop it in, and now we wait. Okay, so just a heads up, the phone microphone actually already sounds a lot better than what the camera microphone sounded like before any of the enhancements, so there might be a bit of a difference here, but who knows? Let's check it out. We're going to start off without it on. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my phone and camera mic audio as a test to show you how good this audio software can turn terrible mic audio from my camera and my built-in phone into something highly professional. What was that? Did you hear that at the end there? I'm sorry, man. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. So yeah, guys, overall, I think it's a really good program. This microphone right here, sometimes it's actually like really far away from me sometimes. And like, I'll forget sometimes to have it near me to talk. So in a pinch, I'll sometimes just throw the audio into this software here to use. And that's basically it. But overall, hopefully this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe notifications on so you don't miss any videos. Make sure to check out my other videos if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.